The design and working principle of the Moka Pot. The Moka Pot consists of two main parts, the upper chamber for the coffee and the lower chamber for the water. Now, we unscrew the parts from each other. We can see three main parts, the filter, the rubber gasket, and the coffee basket. This is where we pour the water. And this is where we add the coffee. Now we put the filter and the rubber gasket back in place. They should be in the upper part of the Moka Pot. And we screw both parts together. Next, we place the Moka Pot on the heat to brew the coffee. The Moka Pot works thanks to the pressure created when the water is heated. When the water heats up, it turns into steam, which under pressure rises through the tube and passes through the coffee. After that, it enters the upper reservoir. The finished drink flows out through a special hole at the top. For safety, there is a valve that controls the pressure, preventing it from rising too high and ensuring safe coffee brewing. The valve consists of a small spring-loaded ball. If the pressure in the lower chamber becomes too high, the spring allows the ball to open the hole through which excess pressure is released. The Moka Pot was invented by Italian engineer Alfonso Bialetti in 1933. This simple device, which works based on pressure, allowed coffee to be brewed at home, becoming an accessible alternative to the espresso machine.